Why you probably never see me? I'm in a talking pit, no Instagram, I'm watching TV. I think I trade my breakfast, lunch, and dinner for some kitty. Please believe me, I see Riri, I'ma eat it like panini. I go dumb up in the bar, hit the walls like graffiti.
Welcome back to my channel. Today I am back with another video, and in this video we're going to get into this hair that I'm currently rocking. So today I'm working with Beauty Forever. Shout out to Beauty Forever Hair for sponsoring today's video. So let's get into it. So now that you see me install this wig, we could talk all about it. This is their Auburn Jerry Curly 13x4 lace frontal. She is 150 density. So one thing about this hair, although this may look similar to a wig that I just reviewed, the texture is all the way different. So I've already worked with Beauty Forever on their natural color Jerry Curly wig, but this one is the Auburn color and I absolutely love it. When I first received this hair, the hairline stood out the most. I will insert clips of what the hairline looks like. The hairline is, it comes with fluffy curly baby hairs, which is so bomb, which was an inspiration for the baby hairs that I decided to create. So I did struggle a little bit. I even burnt my forehead over here with the curling iron to get these like fluffy wispy baby hairs, but I love the way this looks. Their hairline on this is immaculate. I had to do absolutely no plucking at all, and you can see it mimics a natural hairline. It has the dips all in here. Look at this. So you don't have to pluck if you don't want to. If you're not too comfortable plucking this, you can get away without doing so. Part may look a little dark. I'm not sure how it's picking up on camera, but I had to pull my stocking cap all the way back because I hate when I get that line of demarcation of the cap, and I don't really care for the ball cap method. If you were to have a stocking cap under this lace, the part would show up a lot more defined. I just used a little bit of powder and concealer, and that was all as far as like customization. You saw that I cut the baby hairs down and then I curled them and I used a little bit of hairspray, but that was about it. As far as the hair, I wet it down and I put a little bit of leave-in conditioner. This is 150, but this is very full to be a 150. It has a lot to do with the curl pattern. Jerry Curly is very tight and very coily, so once it stretches and fluffs, you get a lot of volume. So 150 will do it. Once again, this is Beauty Forever hair. Definitely check all the links down in the description box. I will have all the discount codes links. I'll even link the review that I did on this wig in the color black. So if you're not a fan of this color, you'll definitely be a fan of the black because the curl texture is bomb. So I want to thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.
Yeah. Back keep flowing, hit the gas keep going. Yeah, them girls on tour, going city after city.